Hello student, today we start the division algorithm for polynomials. In chapter 1 we discuss the division algorithm for numbers. Here we talk about the division algorithm for polynomials. So structure nearly similar, but the way of expression is slightly different. So what is that? If px and gx are two polynomials with gx is not 0, then we can find qx and rx such that px equals to gx into qx plus rx, where rx may be 0 or degree of rx is smaller than the degree of gx. Now here if we look at the compare with the previous algorithm, px is the dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient and rx is the remainder. We are talking in terms of polynomials. हम यहाँ पर इनको polynomials के terms में बात कर रहे हैं, इसलिए ये polynomials होंगे. अब polynomials में remainder क्या होगा? rx, ये 0 भी हो सकता है, या डिग्री ऑफ rx इज लेस देन द डिग्री ऑफ डिवाइजर. वहां पर हम वैल्यू से कंपेयर करते हैं, यहाँ पर हम डिग्री से कंपेयर करेंगे. अब यहाँ पर इफ rx रिमाइंडर यदि 0 हो रहा है इस एल्गोरिथम में, देन व्हाट वी गेट px इक्वल्स टू gx इंटू qx. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? px is a product of two polynomials, means they are the factors of px. In division algorithm, if remainder is 0, then px have two factors, gx and qx. So in this way we can get the factors of the higher degree polynomials. We can use this. Now we come to the exercise 2.3, in which we have to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. After division we can get the quotient and the remainder. If remainder is 0, then the divisor is a factor of quotient, dividend. So here we take the first question of this exercise, in which we have to divide px by gx and find remainder and quotient. If px is x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and gx is x square plus 1 minus x. So before starting the division, we check the degree of the dividend px and gx. So definitely the degree of gx is smaller than the degree of px. So we divide it. So first we write px is x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is divided by x square plus 1 minus x. So we change its order in writing in standard form. So we write x square minus x plus 1. Now in the division of polynomial, we eliminate the higher degree term. Whether in numbers, what we do? We eliminate the हाईएस्ट प्लेस वैल्यू, है ना. तो यहाँ पर हम x रेज़ टू 4 को एलिमिनेट करेंगे. हाईएस्ट डिग्री x रेज़ टू 4 है. इसके लिए तरीका क्या होगा? हम x रेज़ टू 4 को, जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री टर्म है, उसको जो डिवाइजर है gx, इसके हायर डिग्री टर्म से डिवाइड करेंगे. ये x स्क्वायर है. x रेज़ टू 4 को x स्क्वायर से यदि हमने डिवाइड किया तो ये x स्क्वायर हमको मिलेगा. We get x square. So x square be the quotient. How we get the quotient? So in this way, very simple technique, you can get it. So it is divided up to x square times. So x square multiplied with x square, we get x raised to 4. Then x square multiplied with minus x, we get minus x cube. But in px, no term containing x cube. So we write here minus of x cube. इसको हम separate लिख लेंगे यहाँ पर. Then x square multiplied with plus 1, so we get plus x square. Now after this, what we do? We subtract this value, so minus, the sign becomes minus and this becomes plus. ये ध्यान रखना है यहाँ पे कि जब भी हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे ये टर्म्स जो आ रहे हैं इनके साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. तो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर ये एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. और अब जब हम इसको लिखेंगे तो हाईएस्ट डिग्री यहाँ पर क्या बच रहा है? एक्स क्यूब. तो हम एक्स क्यूब को यहाँ पहले लिख देंगे. ये क्यों लिख रहे हैं? क्योंकि अल्टीमेट हमें हाईएस्ट डिग्री को फिर एलिमिनेट करना है, तो इसको हमने पहले लिख दिया. नाउ subtract this minus 3x square and minus x square, and okay minus 4x square होगा. और and the remaining terms जो हैं इनको भी हम नीचे लिखेंगे. 4x plus 5. Now again to eliminate x cube, what we do? You can use the same technique, x cube divided by x square. So we get x. So the next quotient will be x. Now x multiplied with x square, we get x cube. X multiplied with minus x square. Then x multiplied with 1, we get plus x. Then we subtract it, minus, plus and minus. So this term will cancel. Minus 4x square plus x square minus 3x square. 4x minus x plus 3x plus 5. Now here the remaining part, the highest degree is 2 and here is 2, so we can further one more time we can divide it. So again minus 3x square divided by x square, what we get? We get minus 3. So the quotient will be minus 3. So it will divide minus 3 times. So minus 3x square, and then minus 3 multiplied with minus x, so plus 3x, and minus 3 multiplied with plus 1, so minus 3. Again we subtract these terms, so this becomes plus, this minus, and this becomes plus. So here this will cancel and this also be cancelled. What we get? 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 is the remainder, because here the degree becomes 0 and the degree of this gx divisor is 2, so we cannot further divide it. So remainder here, the quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is 8. Now in first question you have to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. In second question of the same exercise, we have to find whether gx is a factor of this. So very simple, you divide it and if remainder becomes 0, then this gx जिसे आप divide कर रहे हैं, that polynomial will be a factor of the px. Clear? Now in question number 3rd of the exercise 2.3, here the use of division algorithm to reduce the higher degree of polynomial to a lower degree of polynomial in terms of factors. So here the question is obtain all other zeros of this polynomial 3x to 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if its two zeros are given. One is under root 5 by 3 and another is minus of under root 5 by 3. So we know if zeros are given, we can write the factors. Is that clear? By using factor theorem. So here we assume let px be a polynomial which is 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. And two zeros are under root of 5 by 3 and minus of under root 5 by 3. So by factor theorem, x minus under root of 5 by 3 is one factor, and another factor is x minus x plus, because the second is minus under root 5 by 3, so its opposite sign plus under root 5 by 3. These are the two factors of this polynomial. So their product also be a factor of this polynomial. So we find the product at the same time. So it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So it becomes a square minus b square. So a square of under root 5 by 3 will be 5 by 3. If we simplify this, it becomes 3x square minus 5 upon 3, which can be written as 1 by 3, 3x square minus 5. Now in the previous exercise, any polynomial is multiplied by a constant k, then there will be no change in the 0. We discuss it. So here 3x square minus 5 is a polynomial having the zeros root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. You can check it. So here this polynomial divides, or it will be a factor of this, means it divides completely this polynomial px. So we divide it. So 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 is divided by 3x square minus 5. So here again, what will be the quotient? Here the degree is 4. Again you can do it, 3x raised to 4 divided by 3x square. So definitely quotient will be x square. So x square times it will divide. So what we get? 3x raised to the power 4. X square multiplied with this, then x square multiplied with minus 5, we get minus of 5x square. So we write under the term containing x square. तो ये थोड़ा सा आपको ध्यान रखना है कि जब भी ये टर्म लिख रहे हैं तो सिमिलर पावर जो लाइक टर्म्स हैं उनको लिखना है. अब इसको आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो ये माइनस हो गया, ये प्लस होगा, तो ये टर्म कैंसिल हो जाएंगी. What we get? 6x cube and minus 2x square plus 5x square plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Here the degree of this polynomial is higher than this, so again divide. 6x cube divided by 3x square. So what will be the quotient? 6x cube divided by 3x square. So we get 2x. We get 2x. So quotient will be plus 2x. Plus 2x multiplied with 3x square, we get 6x cube. Then 2x multiplied with minus 5, minus 10x. Now again we subtract it, minus and plus. So this term will cancel, 3x square. And again this term will be cancelled because similar and having opposite sign. And remaining term will be 5. Look at here. The remaining part is same as the divisor. So definitely both are equal. So plus 1 times the quotient will be plus 1. So 3x square minus 5. If we subtract it, it becomes 0. So what we get? We get remainder is 0. Remainder, that is Rx, is 0. So definitely ये factor था इसलिए remainder 0 मिलेगा आपको. Now we can write Px. So by using division algorithm, what we get? Px means Px equals to product of gx into qx, means 3x square minus 5 into x square plus 2x plus 1, or what is Px? 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 equals to 3x square minus 5 into x square plus 2x plus 1. Now we get the two factors of the degree 4 polynomial. We get two quadratic factors. Now we have to find other zeros. So first polynomial को जब आप सॉल्व करेंगे, लीनियर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और जीरोस निकालेंगे तो वो ये होंगे, क्योंकि 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 5 है जीरोस, रूट 5/3 and minus root 5/3. So the other two zeros we get by factorizing the second factor, that is x square plus 2x plus 1. तो ये सेकेंड डिग्री है, क्वाड्रेटिक है, इसको आप स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म से कर सकते हैं, यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी कर सकते हैं, कॉमन लेके कर सकते हैं, वो डिपेंड करेगा कि ये सिचुएशन कैसा है. x square plus 2x plus 1, so definitely it is a identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is in that form. So it will, what will be the factor of these is, so we write first polynomial as it is because we need not to factorize it, but the factor of second will be x plus 1 whole square using identity. Remember, we are using identity. Sometimes you will require the splitting the middle term. Clear? तो ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. इस क्वेश्चन में ये डायरेक्ट आइडेंटिटी से इसके फैक्टर्स मिल रहे हैं. अब यहाँ देखिए इसके फैक्टर्स क्या हो गए. यदि हम इसको देखें तो इसको इरेज कर सकते हैं हम. अब यहाँ पर हम इसको ऊपर थोड़ा सा सॉल्व कर लें तो ये हमारा px के जो फैक्टर्स हैं अल्टीमेट 3x raised to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 is 3x square minus 5 into x plus 1 into x plus 1. We get the same factor, x plus 1 whole square means x plus 1 into x plus 1. So to get 0 for zeros of polynomial, we compare x plus 1 is 0 or x plus 1 is 0. So we have x is minus 1 or x is minus 1. So what we get? We get two same zeros. The other two zeros are equal and each is minus 1. So you can write the other zeros of polynomial px, or you can write completely are minus 1 and minus 1. ये आपका आंसर होगा. This is the answer. Clear? Now we come to the next question, that is question number 4. ये थोड़ा स्लाइटली डिफरेंट है, हालांकि इसमें भी आपको पॉलिनोमियल को डिवाइड करना है, बट इसका जो पूछने का तरीका है वो थोड़ा सा डिफर है. ऑन डिवाइडिंग अ पॉलिनोमियल एक्स क्यू माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 2 बाय gx, डिवाइजर अननोन, गिव्स quotient x minus 2 and remainder minus 2x plus 4. We have to find gx. So we assume it, let px is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Quotient qx is x minus 2 and remainder, that is rx, is minus 2x plus 4. So by division algorithm, we can write Px equals to Gx into Qx plus Rx. This is our division algorithm. Px division, Gx divisor जो find करना है हमको, Qx is the quotient which is given, and Rx is the remainder. So we put the value here. So Px is what? Px is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equals to Gx. Gx we have to find unknown, so we write as it is Gx into Qx. Qx is what? Qx is the quotient, that is we write it x minus 2 plus Rx. Rx is minus 2x plus 4. So to get Gx, we have to transpose these terms step by step. So first हमें इनको transpose करना होगा. So x cube, first we transpose minus 2x plus 4 on the other side. So what we get? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Minus 2x becomes plus 2x minus 4 equals to, we write this term first, x minus 2, because there is a product into Gx. So combining the like terms, we get x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x gives plus 3x plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 equals to x minus 2 into Gx. Now to get Gx, we have to transpose x minus 2. So it is on the right side, there is multiplying with that. So transposing, it will divide it. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So again equals to Gx. So again what we get? A division. Division of a polynomial by another polynomial. So we can divide it. So you can divide it. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is divided by x minus 2. So again, what will be the quotient? Here it is degree 3 and divisor having degree 1. So clearly x square is the quotient. X square multiplied with x, x cube, and x square multiplied with minus 2x square. And now after subtracting, what we get? This term will eliminate it. What we get? Minus 3x square plus 2x square minus x square plus 3x minus 2. Now here minus x square divided by x, we get minus x. So quotient will be minus x. So minus x multiplied with x minus x square minus x multiplied with minus 2, we get plus 2x. And after subtracting, ये ध्यान रखना है जब आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं तो ये साइन चेंज होंगे. अक्सर गलतियां यहीं पर होती हैं, तो ये डिवीजन में ये पार्ट थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है. ये कैंसिल होगा और 3x minus 2x gives x minus 2. Again the remaining part is same as the divisor, so quotient will be 1. So we have x minus 2. So subtracting this, so ultimate we get the 0. Means you can x minus x on minus 2 plus 2 0. So what will be the Gx? Gx will be the quotient. After division, what we get? X square minus x plus 1. So this is the value of Gx. So answer Gx is x square minus x plus 1. So in this question, we have to divide a polynomial by another, but it is in different manner. The question is asked in different manner. Now you can solve the other questions of the exercise. Dear student, please remember, when you are watching the video, you sit with pen and copy, you register. और जैसे ही आप ये वीडियो देखते हैं उसके साथ उसको नोट भी करते चलिए, तो ये आपको कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने में, क्वेश्चन के मेथड में लिखने का जो तरीका है वो आपको ज़्यादा आसान होगा और ज़्यादा अच्छे से आप उसको समझ पाएंगे। बाकी क्वेश्चंस को आप इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग इस चैप्टर के कुछ एडवांस क्वेश्चंस को भी डिस्कस करेंगे, तो सभी उनको देखिएगा।